Hi, my name is Candice. I am the Centre Manager here at Briardale House. We are a community centre in the Coopen and Kitty Brewster area of Blythe in Northumberland.
Candice and her team provide a safe and inclusive community hub where they run a range of art, dance and fitness classes, as well as after-school clubs, baby ballet, friendship groups and more.
So the funding that we received from banks was completely different to every other application that we've ever made. Actually, banks contacted us to say that they had some funding available for this area and would we like to make an application. So obviously it was a big yes from us. We decided to go for something to support the health and safety of the building because banks were fantastic actually and didn't necessarily want it to be for a specific event or project. I suppose day to day people probably won't know that there's any difference, but to us it's a huge difference. We now know that our fire alarm is fit for purpose. We took over the centre 3.5 years ago and since then we are using more areas of the building than ever before. So we are confident that everybody in all areas of the building are protected. We have birth to 100 years and everybody in between. So it's reassuring for us to know that everybody is safe. Thank you so much. Thanks for all of your support. Everybody we've spoken to during the whole process through the application writing, the submitting and afterwards, everybody's been fantastic. And I hope that we get to work with them again in the future.